nice Mustang GT convertible. A few little rock chips up here, but nothing major. Good looking wheels. Arizona car, so no corrosion. Like I said, it's a GT with the leather, shaker stereo, navigation, heated seats. 116 is for the mileage. Interior is in very nice shape, no issues there. So if you're looking for a little older Mustang GT, I personally like the front end on these better, but everybody's preference. Top showing a little bit of Arizona fading on it, but not bad. Like I said, no big dents or anything, just a nice car. So if you're looking for an affordable Mustang GT, comes with 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, give us a call, 605-692-70